In this video, you will see how to draw table in Word document. It's very easy. First, you need to click here on the Insert tab and then click on Table. Here you will see the option of Draw Table. Click on it. You will start to see the pencil now. And now you can draw the table. You can just left click on your mouse and hold the button and then draw the size of the table you want. Now you can just draw horizontal lines like this inside the table, or you can add vertical lines inside the table like this. In case you want to add a diagonal line, you can also add a diagonal line inside the table cell, and you can also change the table border color. You can just go to the table design tab, go to the paint color and select the color of your choice, and then click on the border to change the color of the border. In case you want to erase this table line or a border, you can go to the table layout tab and here see the option of eraser. Click on this eraser option and then click on the border you don't want, or you can just drag like this to delete the border. You can redraw the borders by clicking on the draw table here under the table layout tab and then draw the table border as required. In this way, you can easily draw table in Word document using the draw table option under the insert tab. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out the useful videos if you want to learn more about table in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.